Hello everyone, this is Becky Gibson. I am so excited today. I have had a birthday and my husband purchased for me another Tom Golding spindle. This is the Damascene Rooster, and I've been wanting this particular spindle for several years now, and luckily I was able to buy it before it was gone. So we're going to unbox it. It's labeled as fragile on the sides as well as on the top. I have the box flipped over to the bottom of the box. So delivery did not take long. It took 3 or 4 days. Not bad at all. They shipped it immediately as I put the order in. Wow. Lots of packaging here. Okay, here is a paper advertising the Golding Lazy Cates. Spindle accessories for plying. I would love to have this lazy Kate, the micro lazy Kate. Yes, I would love to have that. Okay, let's see. Ring spindle care and maintenance. The wood. Keep your ring spindle away from direct sunlight and sources of direct heat to prevent the wooden whorl from drying out. An occasional oiling will keep the wooden whorl and shaft looking new and beautiful. Wood likes almost any oil. Mineral oil or pure vegetable oil can be used, as well as furniture oil you use for your fine furniture. We suggest applying the oil with a Q-tip to reach in and around carved areas of the whorl, then wipe and buff with a soft cloth. And then, of course, it tells you how to care for the bronze alloy ring. They say that the bronze alloy ring that surrounds the wooden whorl is tarnish resistant, but not tarnish proof. Sanding the top and exterior part of the ring with 400 grit silicon carbide sandpaper will remove any discoloring. Okay. More packaging. Okay, here it is. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Look at that. Can it focus? Will it focus? There we go. What an absolutely beautiful spindle. And the ring is gold plated. It has the grippies down at the bottom. Okay. There is a weight included underneath the whorl. You can see the underneath. How beautiful it is. I wish the camera would focus There we go. Now it's focusing. How beautiful that is. And the rooster. Okay, so this is the Damascene Rooster. It is a 3.5-inch walnut whorl. The inset is a vintage Damascene from Spain. The ring is gold plated. It weighs 1.97 ounces. And I paid $177. Well, actually, my husband paid $177 for it. So I'm so excited about using this spindle. Thank you for joining me as I unbox this spindle. Happy spinning, everyone. Bye-bye now.